Hi, I'm Anayat,
And I'm just Mannat.
and welcome to the Teen Prism. So, today we don't have Sanvi, Ishmeen, and Jia with us for today's episode, and we thought that let's have a casual talk today. So, this is quarantine time, and how is quarantine treating you?
Well, it is actually boring because you have to be inside your homes. While going out, you need to wear all of your masks and carry all of your sanitizers, which is very boring. And then staying at your home and like having nothing to do is more boring.
Right, that makes sense. And so, you don't do anything like all day?
No, like there are classes in the morning till 12 or 1, like 1 or 2, and then you need to complete your work. But like there's actually nothing to do. Like you study for an hour or two, then you watch something on your phone or TV maybe, and then you go down. But you like there's a fixed routine. Like you don't have anything different to do. Like it's you use your phone, you use your TV, and then you go, you cycle maybe, you walk, and then you come back, you study for a bit, and then you sleep.
That is a really boring routine.
I know there's nothing to do, man.
Really, it is really boring. And so then, what would you say about learning studies this time, like quarantine studies? Do you find it any better than school?
Well, I do because there's not a fixed schedule, and most of the time the classes get cancelled because of the network issues of the teachers, and I literally love that. And like there are only three or four classes a day. Like it starts at 10 or it finishes at 1 or 2. Then you're free the whole day, and you can do your work according to your own convenience. And I love it.
That is true, that is the best part about quarantine studies, that you can do things at your own pace and nobody's actually checking your notebooks, which I think is a negative point. It could have been a plus point if we are the ones who complete our notebooks daily, but that is not the issue with me.
Well, I completed, so for me it's good.
No, I'm not one of those people who would complete my work and have it set daily. I am kind of really, really behind the class.
No, like I do it side by side because I can't do, like I can't work with 20 chapters or 10 chapters maybe in one day. I can't do that.
I can do that if I have my earphones along, I listen to music and I do things at a fast pace and yeah, I'm good with that. Like
Well, that is
usually,
well,
yeah.
it is possible, but still, I can't do 10 chapters. I can make the whole notebook after 5 months altogether. So I prefer doing it, like one by one.
That is a better approach of doing things because
Yeah.
you set with the class, you're going with the flow and it's not as if you're behind the class or anything. So I would love to do that, but now it's too late.
Exactly. That's why I started in the very beginning. Otherwise, if I don't start in the beginning, then I'll be like, let's leave it. We'll do it afterwards or something. And I don't want to do that. Because if the
Yeah, that is
schools open all of a sudden, then you all will be in a panic. Send me this work, send me that work. I haven't done this. Oh, the school's opening tomorrow. What should I do? And everything else.
right. I actually am thinking to complete my work right now. Yeah, and also send me some of the work, all the English notebook and everything, because I haven't completed that either.
I sent you the half. Have you completed
Yeah,
that?
I need the other half too.
You completed the first half?
No.
First complete, and then only I'll send it. You take all of the work and you don't do it.
No, I would do it. I would complete it side by side.
You're not. I know you very well. You won't.
We'll figure that out afterwards. So now,
Yeah.
what is the other, what do you think is the best part about quarantine?
Well, the best part about quarantine, I think, is that you're sitting at home and you can do whatever you like.
That is true, you could just discover anything new. Like,
Exactly.
I've gotten time for cycling. So I go out cycling with either Sanvi or with Ashmeen. and it's really fun. You could do it anytime you want, and there are no restrictions because you're not restricted with a routine. And cycling has been
Exactly.
really fun.
Like in like when you're going to school, you're like, tomorrow you have to go to school, tomorrow you have this test, you need to complete the finish, you complete it or you do any of your work. But like here it is all according to your convenience and as per your liking. You want to do it, you do it because there's no such pressure.
That is true, that there's no such, thing to worry about, that pressure on your mind that, you have to complete the work till this given time,
But
right?
that is bad also in a sense. If you don't have any pressure, people like you will not ever complete their work until school
Thank
starts.
you very much. Thank you very much for the appreciation, just Manat. And I
My pleasure.
completely agree. You shouldn't be like me. I am one, I'm the only, and I'm a limited edition. So that's fine.
Yeah, that's truly fine.
Yeah. So what do you think is better, like on the basis of studies and everything? What would you say? Is it online studies or is it regular school?
Well, I feel in the matter of studies, like if you actually think like a very dedicated student who really wants to study hard, then definitely it's school. But like if you we are a bit casual, like me and you, then I think online studies is the best because you can work at your own pace. You're not under any pressure. Like obviously for understanding, it's your determination. There are so many distractions at home. There are more as compared to school. But still, it's all about you, like how you handle with it.
That is true, because definitely there are a lot more distractions in online classes at home, where your mom comes in, she's calling you,
Exactly.
your siblings come in, you having a conversation. And then the worst part is the people who don't know when to mute themselves. They're having a
Exactly. To
conversation
start their
with their
conversation,
family,
man.
and you can literally hear what they're saying, and it's annoying sometimes.
Exactly, like even the teachers sometimes they forget to mute themselves, and they're talking to their children. ये खा ले बेटा, वो कर ले बेटा, ये कर ले बेटा. At least you can mute yourself.
And the happening with the maths teacher, I think if you remember,
How can I
the
forget?
her son's birthday, and she's literally asking him to take a shower, and he's like, "No, I don't want to take a shower. It's my birthday today." Like, come
Exactly.
on,
And
please.
you can have your conversation, but by muting yourself.
And what a stupid conversation was that? I mean, beta,
Yeah,
please take a shower. No, mama, it's my birthday today. I don't want to take a shower today, and I'll do what I want to do. How
exactly. And
stupid is that?
mama is like, no, it's your birthday, then you should take a shower.
I mean, some teachers just don't understand it, or there are a lot of students there who don't know when to mute themselves and when to
They
speak,
start
when to
conversing
not.
with their siblings, with their parents. They forget that they're unmuted, and we can hear all of their conversation. Somebody's mom is coming from behind, somebody's sibling is coming from behind, and they start shouting.
And it's like sometimes it's accidental, but when it happens every time, then please, you should know what you have to do with your, device that you're using.
But it's actually a good entertainment also. In between all of that study, this is like a part-time job.
Right. And what do you feel is the, like best thing about quarantine apart from, doing what you want to do? I think I would say it's Netflix.
I love Netflix too. We are the Netflix buddies, man.
I don't watch a lot of Netflix actually, but I still love the series that I've watched till now. So, Jasmanat, would you like to recommend any to like our audience now that we're on the Netflix topic?
Definitely, I love Netflix. Okay, so I'll start with what I'm currently watching. I'm watching Money Heist. So I would recommend it for everybody. It's 18 plus, but still, I would say it has a very interesting plot. Like everybody must have heard about the Royal Mint of Spain. So it is like a gang of robbers, and who they decide to loot the Royal Mint of Spain. It is how they deal with it. How the head, who is